Jay Haynes for the Film Sensei YouTube channel. A great gauge of the importance of different topics is the number of views on each tutorial video. If a video has a lot of views, then obviously it is an important topic to you, the viewer. With that in mind, I've crunched some numbers to determine what were the most popular videos that I made last year. Hopefully, you will find these videos as valuable as the rest of my user base does. Number 5. Animating a mask in HitFilm. In this 6-minute video, I explain in very basic terms how to create and animate any type of mask that you will need in HitFilm. This video is absolutely geared towards beginners and is a great way to learn everything that you need to know about working with masks in HitFilm. A link to the video is in the description below. Number 4. Everything you need to know about HitFilm 2021.2. In this 7-minute video, I show all of the newest features that can be found in HitFilm 2021.2, also known as version 17. These brand new features include proxies, timeline cache, FBX animated camera import and export, Blackmagic raw file import, super glow effects, the Cosmos effect, the Electro effect, the page curl effect, the page turn transition, and more. To see all of the new features in HitFilm 17, click on the link to this video below. Number 3. How to get the dark mode in HitFilm Express. In this short 2-minute video, I explain exactly how you can get the dark mode for HitFilm Express. If you want to learn how to get the dark mode for your copy of HitFilm Express, click on the link to the video below. Number 2. Quick and easy free procedural Greebles in Blender. In this short 2-minute video, I explain how to quickly and easily add procedural Greebles to your spaceship models in Blender for free. If you would like to learn this simple yet very effective technique, click on the link to this video below. Number 1. How to rotoscope a human body in less than 10 minutes. Rotoscoping is a very important thing to VFX artists, but it can take a huge amount of time. In this 6-minute video, I showcase an amazing website that can literally save you hours of arduous rotoscoping work. If you want to learn more, click on the link to this video below. I'm Jay Haynes for the Film Sensei YouTube channel, and I would like to personally thank you for your support of this channel over the past year. These 5 videos alone have over 22,000 views and counting, so thank you. What kind of VFX tutorial would you like for me to cover next? If you have a VFX tutorial request, please do not hesitate to leave it in the comments below. In the meantime, thanks for watching.